You probably found this video by searching on YouTube because CapCut auto captions aren't working properly. They're missing lines, misspelled, incorrect, or completely glitching, and you don't want to use another video editor for captions. The good news is you can fix this with one simple trick inside CapCut. First, open your project in CapCut and generate auto captions as usual. You'll notice the problem right away. Some captions are wrong, some sections are empty, or parts with clear voiceover aren't being detected at all. To fix this, delete the incorrect captions from your timeline. Now, go to your audio track, select all audio clips in the timeline, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. This merges all the audio into one single track. Once that's done, generate auto captions again. This time, CapCut correctly detects the entire voiceover, and the captions appear properly across the whole video. That's it. No extra ops, no manual retyping, just one quick fix that makes CapCut auto captions work correctly again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.